Embaixada Malasia, loke exposisaun dahuluk e Centro Convenco Dili.
E a sexta semana ne Embaixada Malasia hahulok exposisaun dahuluk honaran mai expo nebe halau e Centro Convenções Dili. E evento nesse prensa atividade oioin hanesan ASEAN Bazar, dança cultura husi Malásia, o objetivo atualmente lutan a relação amizade entre nação ruane.
The expo where we have about 30 Malaysia companies basically from Malaysia and also who are already doing business in Timor-Leste, and we have about 70 strong delegates which come from Malaysia for this event. This event is not only about the expo. We also have ASEAN Bazaar, where Malaysia being the chairman of this ASEAN for this year. So we are also doing ASEAN Bazaar, where we have invited all the ASEAN countries to participate inclusively to showcase the ASEAN, culture, food to the Timorese. So it's also another idea which was initiated, and we hope we had about 36 participants from all the ASEAN countries who will be exhibiting. It's only one day just to showcase and be part of this ASEAN chairmanship, to have Malaysian companies to actually explore the Timor-Leste market, which we feel that it's a huge opportunity for Malaysian companies to come into Timor-Leste. The main reason would be because Timor-Leste now is known as is going to be known as one of the ASEAN countries. So it's an opportunity for the Malaysian companies to really look into this plan to come to Timor-Leste.
That as we conclude this event over these next few days, we're going to see more and more successful results from Malaysian businesses into Timor-Leste.
Atividade ne halau durante loron rua, nebe hahu si loron sia to loron sanulo fulan maio iha Centro Convenções Dili. Equipa cobertura GMN.